crap is this? I ordered this like 4 weeks ago, March 21st? You gotta be kidding me, Brett. So these are my stickers that I ordered from Mr. Suck like 3 weeks ago. Let's see what we got here. So Brett sends this freaking piece of crap. You suck. You do, Brett.
You suck! You do!
So I ordered some liquid fertilizer from DoMyOwn. That sucker who sent this piece of crap, you suck sticker from Brett Goodyear. He sends this freaking box because he works for DoMyOwn. And look what it says here. Connor Ward the Lawn Rebel. Suck Brothers Incorporated. So that's bull. I'm not having that. You do, Brett. Don't say I suck. I'm always the one that's getting first, and you're always last. He will never beat me to the punch. Ever. Because he sucks so bad. So let's see what's in here. Oh yeah! Look at that! 2800 liquid fert. So I'm not exactly sure how to apply liquid fertilizer. This is a 2800 blend here. So that's pretty awesome. Thanks, Brett, for sending that. But that freaking label, that's a pisser offer, and you're not going to end up getting away with that. So check out this comment that I got on one of my YouTube's videos. So this is from Gixxer 750 Pilot 4 days ago, edited. So edited, dude? You gotta freaking edit your posts because they're not good enough the first time? Come on. So here's what he says. Dude, I can't wait for you to start cutting. My lawn is looking awful after last year's renovation. The topsoil I brought in has tons of weeds. I need some of your success, rebel style. So you want some success, dude? I'll send you some success. Whew, that stuff is disgusting. This is the success I will send him. He says he's never heard or seen of this stuff where he's at. So this dude, he's over in if he wants some success, I'm gonna send him some success, all right. Send him this stinky success. Send him this shirt right here. Send him a little bag of success. I'm gonna freaking put this whole thing in there. You want some success, do you? Here's you some success. Yeah, you want some success? Here you go, pal. You want success? Here's your success. The sweet smell of success. So you guys want to see what's going on? These butthole deer are out there eating my freaking compost pile, taking a crap all over my freaking lawn.